In this guide, I'll show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi on your Philips Smart TV. So let's start by grabbing your TV remote, and you need to press the home button located in the middle here. This will bring up the Philips home screen, and using the up arrow, we need to come over to the top navigation and scroll across and select settings. Come down and then scroll all the way across to the right and select all settings. Press the down arrow to come over to wireless and networks, scroll across and then come down to Wi-Fi on or off and make sure you have your Wi-Fi turned on. Then come back over to the navigation and we need to scroll all the way up to connect to network and select OK. Click on start now. And then click connect in the bottom right hand side. Select whether you have a wireless or wired connection. So if you have an Ethernet cable running from your television to your router, then select wired. Otherwise, if you just have a standard wireless connection, press wireless. Make sure your router is turned on and press scan, and this will pull up all the Wi-Fi networks in the local area. Select your Wi-Fi from the list, click on standard, and then press enter key. Now all you need to do is go and enter your Wi-Fi password and press enter, and congratulations, we have now successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.